Welcome to Wright Touch Solutions, your premier specialist in appliance installation and comprehensive home solutions. We take pride in transforming your kitchen and home with expert installation services that go beyond the ordinary. Our commitment is to provide complete solutions for all your home and appliance needs, ensuring every installation meets the highest standards of quality and functionality. Over the years, we've evolved into more than just appliance installers. Our team brings together an impressive array of credentials, including builder's licenses, passive house builder and consultant certifications, lead home expertise, design and project management professional certifications. We approach each project with a problem-solving mindset, combining our technical expertise with deep product knowledge to deliver solutions that truly work for your home. Let's talk about the reality of today's appliance market. Built-in appliances represent a significant investment in your home, particularly considering that kitchens and bathrooms are key selling points. In Massachusetts, where the average home value is approximately $660,000, investing in quality appliance installation makes sound financial sense. We understand that 10% to 20% of your home's value can be tied to kitchen improvements, making professional installation crucial for protecting your investment. When it comes to wall ovens, we offer comprehensive installation solutions that maximize your kitchen's potential. Whether you're looking to upgrade from a single unit to a double oven or integrate combination units with built-in coffee makers and microwaves, we handle all aspects of the installation. Our expertise covers everything from custom cabinetry modifications to electrical service upgrades, ensuring your new appliances fit perfectly and function safely. Take our recent project in Holyoke, for example. This kitchen renovation showcased our ability to seamlessly integrate a new wall oven installation within an existing kitchen design. The project required careful consideration of the space's unique characteristics, working with the white cabinetry and coral-colored walls to create a cohesive look that enhanced the kitchen's modern aesthetic. The transformation in our Holyoke project speaks for itself. The before and after comparison demonstrates how our precise installation work elevated the entire kitchen space. The new stainless steel double wall oven not only provides improved functionality, but also adds a sophisticated touch that complements the existing cabinetry and design elements. Moving to cooktops, we specialize in various conversion options to meet modern cooking needs. Whether you're transitioning from gas to induction cooking, handling LP conversions, or requiring complete modifications, we've got you covered. We're particularly excited about the mass save incentives available for upgrading to induction cooktops, making it an excellent time to consider this energy-efficient option. Our Brookline project perfectly illustrates our expertise in cooktop conversions. This comprehensive installation involved replacing a brand new gas range top with an induction cooktop, requiring multiple modifications. We handled everything from capping the gas line and installing new electrical service to coordinating new countertop installation and custom cabinet modifications. The result was a seamless integration that matched the existing kitchen design perfectly. Efficiency is at the heart of our service. Many of our installations, even complex ones, can be completed in just one day. This quick turnaround doesn't compromise quality. It's the result of careful planning, experienced technicians, and well-coordinated execution. We understand that minimizing disruption to your home life is crucial. The Sudbury project showcases our expertise in comprehensive range top and hood installations. This retrofit required careful attention to both the cooking surface and ventilation systems. We addressed multiple technical challenges, ensuring proper ventilation while maintaining the kitchen's aesthetic appeal. This particular job required going from an older 45-inch range top to a new 48-inch range top. The final results of the Sudbury installation demonstrate our commitment to excellence. The new range top and hood system perfectly integrates with the existing white cabinetry and granite countertops. The stainless steel finish with distinctive red knob accents adds a professional touch while ensuring optimal functionality for the homeowner. Complex installations are our specialty, as demonstrated by our Northampton built-in refrigerator project. Installing a high-end appliance on the third floor of an old building presented unique challenges, from coordinating crane access to working with condo boards. We managed the logistics while ensuring all building requirements were met, handling everything from custom panel installation to careful navigation through tight spaces. The custom panel installation process requires meticulous attention to detail. In the Northampton project, we implemented a phased approach to ensure perfect alignment and matching with existing cabinetry. Each panel was carefully custom-built, fitted, and adjusted to create a seamless, built-in appearance that enhances the kitchen's overall design. Our commitment to excellence is reflected in our customer feedback and BBB accreditation. We're proud to share testimonials like Joe C's 5-star review, praising our professional service and installation expertise. These endorsements reflect our dedication to maintaining the highest standards in every project we undertake. Dishwasher installations require precise attention to technical specifications. We ensure proper sizing, electrical requirements, and panel fitting for every installation. Our team carefully considers standard dimensions, electrical configurations, and custom panel options to guarantee a perfect fit and optimal performance. Beyond standard installations, we excel in specialized services, including downdraft systems, makeup air kits, and complex ventilation solutions. Our expertise extends to installing slide-in ranges and coordinating cooktop installations over wall ovens, ensuring each component works together seamlessly in your kitchen. We're experts at finding creative solutions to integrate new appliances into existing spaces. Whether you're adding a built-in coffee maker, wine center, warming drawer, or steamer, we can help locate the perfect spot and handle all necessary modifications. Our team evaluates your space to maximize functionality while maintaining design harmony. When other companies say no, we say yes. Our manufacturer certifications demonstrate our commitment to excellence. We're proud to be certified by leading brands including Thermador, Bosch, Fisher & Paykel, Gen Air, and many others. These partnerships provide our clients with extended warranties, exclusive discounts, and the assurance of working with preferred installers who understand each brand's specific requirements. Our sales partnership process ensures a smooth experience from start to finish. Beginning with our detailed appliance fit assessment, we maintain clear communication throughout the project. Our 2-week maximum turnaround time and organized installation schedule keep your project on track and stress-free. Transparency is fundamental to our business approach. Every estimate we provide is based on thorough evaluation of both existing and new units. We believe in providing comprehensive estimates that account for all potential work required, recognizing that each home presents unique challenges and requirements. After your purchase, our streamlined process ensures prompt attention to your installation needs. We contact clients within 2 business days of receiving project details and coordinate scheduling based on installation complexity. Our team remains accessible through multiple communication channels to address any questions or concerns. On installation day, we follow a careful protocol to protect your home and ensure a smooth process. Our team arrives with advance notice, thoroughly surveys the work area, and implements comprehensive surface protection measures. We document the entire process with before and after photos, ensuring every detail is addressed. Thank you for considering Wright Touch Solutions for your appliance installation needs. Our dedication to quality, attention to detail, and customer satisfaction sets us apart in the industry. Contact us today to experience the difference professional installation can make in your home. Let us help you transform your kitchen into the functional and beautiful space you've always wanted.